Okay, there has been a lot of videos about Hermes Agent, so I don't want to just upload another video and introduce Hermes Agent. We all know Hermes Agent. It's been booming all around the internet. So this video is I wanted to talk about a feature in Hermes Agent, which is going to help a lot of LLMs to be smarter. What am I mean by that? As we all know, the Fable the cloud Fable 5 has been banned, and ChatGPT 5.6 has been banned, and a lot of people like us in Iran mostly we cannot use it, and a lot of people in Europe can use it, and it's only available for American people. And but there are some um, ways to go around it, but mostly you can use it. But what if there was a way to use small average LLMs and make them smarter in Fable 5 level smart? So, in in every kind of way, each LLMs has been trained in specific range of data. And most of these data are similar, but we are focusing on the difference of the data because the information that is stored in the LLMs are what we want. So Hermes Agent create a feature that which we already kind of know about these features, that we let agents work together. We see a lot of agents that have been open source in GitHub and they are working together. It's been out there for 2-3 years, even more maybe. But Hermes Agent is operational with good result actually. So that's why I wanted to show you this one. So if you go to Hermes Agent, if you want to download Hermes Agent, you just go to the Hermes Agent dot newsresearch.com. Okay, and you're just gonna search in Google Hermes Agent. You're gonna see this website at top. Okay, so you can download for Windows, for Mac, for Linux, and you can even run it in your terminal. So you can do that also. When you download it and you install it, if you're in a third world country like me, you need a lot of VPNs just because it was a pain in the ass to install this agent. And it's not very smooth. But when you've done it, you can work with it. It is quite good. It is very good. So, first of all, let's go to this one. You just click on the setting button and you're going to wait the model section to be loaded completely. Okay? Now, at top, you see there is a mixture of agents. Okay? You can select that. But you can come down here and choose the mixture of agents in here. So, as you can see, I use OpenCode as I taught you guys in my previous videos. I use OpenCode, it is ultimately free. And I use DeepSeek for free and Mimo 2.5 and Nematron, and I use DeepSeek for free Flash as aggregator. And you can create multiple agents to be partnered with as much as you want. As you can see, I can just add as much as I like. So it is unlimited. So, but you have to have that in mind. If you try to work with a lot of AI agents, it takes a lot of time to answer your question. So have that in mind. With that said, you just choose whatever you want in here and come up here at mixture of agents and here and click save. And when you click save, you can choose a preset that you want in here. I already used the preset. Just name a preset as you want. And that's it. So We can talk with it, and even you can use Hermes Agent for coding. So let's try something. I'm going to choose a folder as code base. Okay, so test website. Okay, here select folder. Okay, and I am going to just so as you can see, I previously created TAD file and PRD file. If you don't know what these are, I created a video that I just introduced this. I'm gonna pin it up here and put the link down below. You can click on it after this video and you can watch it. And this is the best way to start any coding project. Okay, so now I'm gonna say here read files in this folder and tell me how to start build this project. I already added 4 AI agents in here, so it might take a long time. But we just want to see what would be the result are. As you already see, if you can just focus on here, you see one, oh yeah, it took almost 2 minutes to just give me some thinking and generate some content. See that? Now it's already reading the files. Took a long time, but answering it right now. See in here, still takes another 2.5 minutes to just answer another because it works with. See now it's answering. So let me explore the folder structure. So that's the only down part of the Hermes agent, and not just Hermes agent, just working with multiple agents together. That it takes a long time to come up with one genuine united prompt, not just prompt, the out to answer us. So that's only the downside with it. It takes a long time, but Hermes Agent is doing very great to come up with a better way, have a suitable, just low level or mid level LLMs to be smarter when they work together. Because when they work together, they're using all the different contexts that have been trained on, and they are putting it all together. So as we all already established it, I'm gonna just focus on the difference. And now see it takes about 4 minutes now. Doing a lot of work. A lot of Okay, now it's answering after almost 6 minutes. So we create a step-by-step roadmap. So project overview. This is one of my projects that I wanted to use, and so I'm going to talk about it later on. It's going to be a free education website. Literary plans, so PRD, TD agent, MD. If you don't know any of these files, as I told you before, I'm going to put the link below and pin it on top of my videos so you can see it. So how to start building, 9-step build sequence, section 23. Here is the practice of 3. Install codependents, and yeah, set up Superbase. So yeah, I'll begin building it. Okay, now let's see how it does. So guys, this is one of the ways you can use for coding and any other projects, maybe data science, maybe medicine or medical work. Yeah. Anyway, so you can use Hermes Agent for almost anything, and you can go to the skills and tools, and there are some other things that you can use in here, like you can use cloud code, codecs, can connect to codecs and ask a video, comfy UI, you can connect to comfy UI, even if you have a good system, you can use it to create videos, so that's pretty cool. You can have sketch, HTML mockups, so it works with design also, and a lot of other, yeah, they have a lot of skills in here. So check it out, guys. It is pretty great. And as you can see, it takes a long time to answer. And it would be take a long more time to complete this project. So I'm going to finish video here. But I am going to show you the the result of this project that I created before. I only use it for with DeepSeek V4 Flash, which is, as you know, it is free, but I use DeepSeek to create that. So, uh, so, so I only use one LLM to build this. Okay, let's put it low. What happened? Didn't have this error. So, okay, as you can see, see, yeah, recording. As you can see, this is my home page. I only use DeepSeek before Flash build this. So just imagine what it would be like to use multiple agents to build it. It might even get worse. We don't know that. So with that, I think it's going to be better because I use DeepSeek before as an aggregator, as a somehow a project manager to manage all the agents, and that's why I think it's going to be better to use multiple agents in that. So here we go. Uh, this is the video. I hope you enjoy it and still not answering it, but start using it. I think this is going to be a perfect way for us to create more projects and use smarter way to use mid-level LLMs. Okay. Hopefully this video gives you value. If it does, like and subscribe and share to your friends and anyone who you care about. And thank you guys for watching till this now. Take care, everybody. Bye bye.